Good morning, YouTube. Today is a day we have all been waiting for quite some time. As you can see, we have trusses everywhere. My pops and I came out for a few hours yesterday, got trusses in line, ready to go where they're supposed to be. Today, we fly them in. We have got a gnarly roof system here. We have 4-ply girders with a 4-ply sitting in between both of them, tons of fill trusses, 2 vaulted ceilings connecting. It's going to be insane. Today's gonna be fun. Crane's gonna be here any minute. If you're new here and haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Today is gonna be fun.
Watch out, Keel.
Crane is here. It's time for fun. We've got last minute line brace adjustments, lining this big section here, quarter out that way, just corrected that. Not sure what's going on here, but we're gonna correct that as well. From there, we'll be completely ready to stack out this whole unit. Take off the little 45-degree braces that I've got up on top, from top plate to top plate. We can set all these trusses. So here's how it's going to work. We rolled that set out, you guys just saw that in the time lapse. This side over here, we're not gonna be doing today. We might get a few of them up, but we're not gonna get the whole thing done. Chances are what's gonna happen, we're gonna be back on a different day. We'll get these guys rolled out over here. And what I want to do, I wanna show you guys both aspects. I wanna show you us working as a team, all of us like you just saw. And then I wanna show you guys what it's like being up here, point of view. So I'll be head mounting the whole entire time we're over here to where you guys can see all the action. It's gonna be fun. I have been waiting for this moment for a very, very long time. Fox, myself, and my pops all love being up top on the roof. This is where the fun is. Wall framing sucks. It's the same thing over and over again. Roofs, you get on top and you go. Quick update, we just prefabbed the main section in this building. Hips are on, girders are there. We're gonna fly this thing in as one. We're not putting in all of our fill trusses. It'll be just as easy to do up there as it would be on the ground. We've got the scissor lift. We just want to get that whole section up. 32 foot by 32 foot, all 4 plies. Game time. That's how it's done. Yeah, leave everything out. Oh, freaking hyped right now. This roof system's big. So we prefabbed this whole girder system. Everything hangs off of it. In between here, this fills out back that way, fills out this way. So we have 2 vaults coming together. We've got this 2 and 12 bottom cord here, tying in with this one here. That section there is very important. So to be able to do it on the ground and make sure it's spot on was freaking killer. Roof's going up though, you guys. It's Saturday. We're gonna go grab a burger right now, hang out for a bit, and then head on home for the weekend. We're just stoked to get this thing up. Everything's just tacked. You can see there's a little gap in the bottom. We need to adjust up here. Monday morning we'll make all these permanent as well. But let me tell you guys, that roof ain't going anywhere. So we're doing one day here as time lapse. You guys get to watch us as a team. You watched us fly in that big section over there. The next day that I have up of trusses, you're gonna get to watch my point of view for the whole day. It's gonna be a much longer video. You guys are gonna see exactly what we have going on and how I operate up on top plate. If you guys are enjoying this so far, hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment. Any questions you have building related, leave them down below. I will get to you guys as soon as possible. It's been busy lately though, especially with Christmas and everything else going on. So give me just a bit. But we're gonna head on out of here. Crane's getting loaded up, about to take off. Everybody else is going with me to grab some burgers after this. Go hang out as a team and enjoy ourselves. The next day that you guys see on trusses, we're gonna be getting this section here dialed in, roll all this out, same way we did that other section over there, get all this filler in and wrap this roof up. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that subscribe button down below. Join the over 40,000 watching our channel every single month. Leave a like on this video, drop a comment, any building related questions whatsoever, and I will see you guys in our next episode. Hang on. All right, as a celebration of having a damn good Saturday, we are off to the Habit. Grab ourselves a burger.
There's spitting condensation out of the back of the turbo.
We've got a 1987 Ford 2.3 liter electronically.
Oh, I wish it was an 87.
Was it not?
No, it's 86.